Hello, I have created an web application in Angular which is called a task scheduler. So I would like to show you that. The URL for that is the localhost port number 4200. So the moment I launched the task tracker, it's showing on the main page the list of tasks which I had got already added. So here I first will see there is an option to add a new task, which is via new add button. When I click it, it's giving us a form where we can add a new task. I'm saying our new task one, and I can enter the date, time, today's date 27 March 2025, and there is a reminder. Yes, I'm checking it. When I click on save, yes, our new task is added successfully here. To counter check whether it had gone, whether it is saved in the backend, I am refreshing the page again. So it's clearly recorded in the backend in JSON server, our new task. And there is another feature, the remainder, whichever is set as true, it is in vertical color green. I have implemented a functionality. We can toggle this to false if it is true, and if it is false, it will be true. So I'm making this newly created task, which is set remainder true, false. By double clicking it, it has gone into a remainder state false. And there is another task, new task one, which is remainder is set to false. I would like to make it as remainder true. I made it. It is making on the front end. So let us refresh and whether see it is backend updating. Yes, it's successfully updated. And I haven't implemented another option to delete the existing task. For an example, I would like to delete my task 3 simply by clicking on the X button. It is deleted, showing on the screen. When we refresh, it will be showing it is confirmed in the backend as well. And and the next feature, I have implemented a few basic validations on the input text fields. For an example, I'm leaving task blank, datetime blank, and remainder also blank. When I try to click on save, it's giving us an alert, please add a task. So this is a basic validation which I had implemented for task, which could be applied in any input field as per our requirement. And if you see, there is another option on the main screen. When we are looking, there is an add button which is allowing us to add a new task on the UI. The moment I click on that add, it is toggling, the button is toggled to close, which is allowing if you want to cancel the task adding, we can click on close. So this is another functionality, the button toggling. And the routing also, it is implemented, page routing. For an example, from the main screen, if I want to switch over or route to another page, which I have implemented is about, when I click, we are simply routed to the about screen. So if I want to go back to the index screen, click on go back, it's bringing us back to the main screen. And so these are the functionalities implemented in Angular. Thank you.